Well, good evening, everyone. Well, actually, good morning. This is day trader Johnny Nightlife, aka DJ Johnny Silver, aka DayTraderRockStar, with you on the first edition of day trading stocks for a living and to live the life you want to live. Screw the secret, screw all that crap. Screw working. If you want to make real money, this is what you need to be doing. I got a lot of things to talk about, but just because I'm testing this stuff out for the first time, I actually am just making a short video, throw it on YouTube if I can, and call it a night. Trading's been excellent. You're going to see my style of trading. I want to try to teach you what I know, and hopefully we can all work together. I know there's a lot of people getting back into day trading these days, but not many have been in the pits like I have. I mean, not saying that in the pits, but, you know, back in the early 90s up until now, I've seen a lot of it happening. And, you know, I started young, and I'm still here, so we'll see what happens. The first stock today is actually going to be Suez, S-Z-E. It's a French company, water company. And I couldn't give it a shit if they sold diapers. You know, what concerns me is the chart patterns and, you know, what makes me money. So, let's get this show on the road. As you see right here, let me get this out of the way here. Suez is, you know, I'm in this one right now, but what attracts me to this one is the statistics are starting to turn upwards, and the stock is actually in a gap, a fill area here. You can see the shaded area here. It's when it gapped down from 56.25 down to 54.90. Right now it's in between that, 55.45. But I expect this one to go much higher. This is actually a water company, and as you know, everyone needs water, and it's a great commodity. When I say commodity, I said yes, it's the most valuable commodity. Forget about oil, forget about gold. When it comes down to it, water will be the most precious commodity years from now. Well, anyway, right now this is shaping up to retest the downward trend line, and I expect it this time to break through that. I have a small position. Just 500 shares into this. I got actually, we're probably around $53, $53. And I expect to unload this probably around $60. This is a long-term hold for me. But I like it. I like it a lot. The volume's starting to pick up. We might have a pullback in the market in the next couple of days, and this can swing with the market. It usually gaps upper gaps done because it's a foreign traded stock. You know, it's a foreign company. It has a weird trading pattern, and there's a lot of gaps to it. But I think it's in a bullish mode right here, and we're about to break out. So put this on your watch list, and on any pullbacks, especially in the $54 area, I would be adding to the position. Let's see, this next stock, my favorite position right now, believe it or not, Intel. Intel has made a nice cup and handle right here, as you can see. The high is 26.50, so put that on your alerts as a potential breakout to higher highs. And as you see, 26.50 came back down to about $23 as support. A nice cup. The handle's been formed. Everything is perfect on this. There's a nice volume today on the handle. Statistics are pulling back. They'll probably turn up just in time to blast off. So I have a pretty large position in this. When I'm talking large, I'm a day trader. I don't get carried away and stuff. I make a limit doing this. You know, I have a wife. I have a child. You know, but I make my own hours. It's 12:46 right now in the morning. I can do whatever I want, and all I want to do is bring home a paycheck each day, you know. So we'll be talking more about that, money management, you know, and a lot of other different topics. But like I said, pretty big position for me right now in this stock is about 1,000 shares. Well, I have 800, but I'm going to move it up to 1,000 as it gets closer to the 2656 area. And I love this one, so keep it on your watch list. And another one I bought today, we'll talk about fast, because it ended on its highs. It's taser, and forget about this crap up on top here. It's no cup and handle or anything like that. Scratch all that stuff out. Scratch that out. But what it did do is it ended on its highs for the day. It's actually looking like a very nice W pattern here. We have one, the lower low, and another W, and that could be an inverted head and shoulders, a W pattern, or a very flat, shallow cup and handle. Everything looks good on this one. The volume's picking up. Stochastics are turning back up. News is recently out on this one. This thing has 18 written all over it, so you know, I would just get in it. I don't see, you know, a lot of new contracts are coming its way. You got to get in it. You know, you just got to get in it. What can I say? All right. I can be reached a couple different ways. Like I said, this is my first video on YouTube. Hope you enjoy it. It probably sucks, but you know, keeps me busy at night. And my email is ironaction@yahoo.com, or you could contact me on the Yahoo page. And stay tuned. I also start in a day trader radio during the day, as I will be trading on the radio. So look out for that. I'll be bringing that information towards you, and a lot of other things. I'll give a shout out to my funny friend Jefferson Kroll, who stuck my NASDAQ. A little plug for him. I enjoy watching his videos, so I figured I'll give him a shout out if you check it out. Do a search for Stuck My NASDAQ on YouTube. Very funny. And I hope to see you tomorrow. I have a lot of good picks, but like I said, it's just the first, and I don't want to do everything too much before I get slammed saying this video doesn't fit or something on YouTube. But can I think of anything else? Well, the market. What do you think about the market these days? The market is a little extended right now. I'm actually trading futures in the middle of the night here. I got a small short and the ES contract, and I'm just piddling with that. But I want to put a stop limit in and get some sleep, and hopefully talk to you tomorrow. Everyone have a good night, and I'll see you then.